If you're using same Google account on your Chromebook as well as on your Android phone, then sometimes if you try to download any Android application using Google Play Store on your Chromebook, it get installed to your Android phone. So if you're having the same issue, then you can simply follow these steps to fix it. For that, simply open Google Play Store, search for the application you want to install. Here you will get a small drop down icon. Simply click on it and select the device where you want to install the application. To install it on your Chromebook, simply select this device, then click on install. And it will get installed on your Chromebook. Here you can see the application has been installed. Now to verify whether the application has installed on your Chromebook or not, simply click on App Launcher icon and here you will get the application. Now if you select your Android device from the drop-down menu, here you will get a notification that your application will be installing on your Android phone. So that's for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.